So today we're looking at LTX 2.3 clean plate on Floyo. So this is a video object removal workflow. So basically you just upload your clip, describe the empty scene, and it erases every person and moving object while the camera position, the lighting, and the background stays exactly as they were. So this workflow basically runs on LTX 2.3 with a clean plate IC LoRa on a top that reaches the model to fill in what was actually behind the things that were removed in the video. So now let's take a look at the workflow. So this is basically how the workflow looks. It's basically a clean workflow and a simple one. So the three basic nodes which you will be playing around with are these three nodes. The load video node, this is actually where you upload your input video, and the positive prompt node and the negative prompt node. You don't need to really touch the negative prompt node, it has all the negative prompts, but if you want anything you can just add in here. And this is the positive prompt where you will be explaining as to what you want to be removed from your original video. Like in my case, I have explained an empty clean plate of the exact same location, a scene with no people, buildings, and its steps to enter as camera moving forward and no cycles. And this is the subgraph where all the heavy lifting of the workflow takes place. You can just go inside the workflow subgraph and change all the settings if you want, but the default settings work pretty well. So as you can have a look here, this is where all the LoRa gets loaded and all the models are loaded, and the all the processing takes place inside the subgraph, and you get your object removed inside this only in the video. And at the end you can see here are two video combined nodes which actually show your object being removed. So this video combined node actually comes from the load video node, so that you can kind of compare as to what has been removed. And as you can see in this video, the output is having the person which was there in our load video node, and this is the final video which has the uh, object, that is our person, being removed, keeping all the camera angle, the motion, and the lighting same. So you just click on the run button and your workflow just runs. So there are many more verified to run workflow on our platform Floyo. You can just go and check them out.